In this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how I can transfer from one Bybit account to another Bybit account. So you actually want to do this to save a lot of money to avoid the USDT transaction fee. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So you are going to click on this, your profile icon. So as you can see, you can actually use your UID number, also you can use your email address, or you can use your phone number. So all you have to do is to copy any of these things, then send it to someone that want to send you money, and you'll be able to receive money directly to your Bybit account without any fee. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be actually using one of my friend that I'll be sending money to one of my friend account. So as you can see, I'm going to click on this particular phone number. So I'm going to copy this UID account. So I'm going to copy it, then come over to Bybit. So for you to actually send money out of Bybit is very simple. You are going to click on this asset option over here. You are going to click on withdrawal over here, and you are going to see the next thing you are going to do. So as you can see, we have USDT. So click on USDT over here, and you are going to see what you are going to do right now. So we have two methods of withdrawing money out of Bybit. So the first one is on-chain transfer. The second one is internal transfer. We are going to use internal transfer for this particular tutorial. Click on internal transfer, and you can actually use your email address, you can use your mobile phone, you can use your UID account. So I'm going to click on this UID, then actually paste the UID I copied for that of my friend. So I'm going to actually check the amount I'm actually sending out. So I'm actually sending 3.7. So I'm going to actually click on the actually type in 3.7. So 3.7. So the good thing about this particular method is 100% free. You are not paying any money. So if you actually want to transfer money to any of your friends, you can actually request it for their email address or their mobile number. So if they are actually using Bybit. So I'm going to click on withdraw over here. Click on withdraw, and it's going to ask me if I want to confirm it, which I want. So I'm going to confirm this particular transaction. Then I'm going to send OTP to my email address. Send OTP to my email address. I will send OTP. I will also get my Google Authenticator, then confirm this particular transaction. So as you can see, I've actually copied my email address and also my OTP. So I'm going to click on confirm over here to show you exactly how you can do that. So as you can see, withdrawal application submitted. So it's going to take like 15 minutes or 20 minutes for the recipient to actually receive this payment, and everything is done. So I will actually encourage you that if you want to avoid unnecessary fee whenever you're actually using the on-chain transfer, like if you are using USDT, they are going to charge you 1.3 for every transaction. So you can use this particular internal transfer method. Is kind of cheaper for you to actually save a lot of money. I hope this video actually help you out. If you do, kindly give this video thumbs up and actually subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will see some of the content like this on my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.